Your calendar has to be as fast as you are. That's what we're talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. What's your favorite calendar view on Google Calendar, for example? Are you a month at a glance person? You want to see the big picture? Or is your calendar so full of things you just want to see a day at a time? Or are you somewhere in the middle and the weekly view is the thing for you? Well, my favorite view is none of those. Here's what I want. As soon as I look at my calendar, I want to be able to see today without a nanosecond of hesitation. When you look at the month, you have to sort of, and it doesn't take very long, but a split second to navigate to exactly where is today. Same thing with the weekly calendar. And how far ahead would you like to see when you pull up your calendar? If I'm looking at the weekly view, if it's Monday, I see today, and I also see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Pretty good. I can look ahead. That's good. That's nice. But when I get to Friday, I see Friday and Saturday, and that's it. If I want to see more, I have to scroll. Here's what I want. When I open the calendar, I want to see today hugging that left rail. I know exactly where it's going to be. And I want to see the next 6 days without having to scroll anything. I'm really not interested in the days that have gone by. I can always scroll back to those if I need to check on something, but I want to see today and I want to see what's coming up for the next 6 days. Let me show you how I do it. First of all, I'm going to make sure that my keyboard shortcuts are turned on in Google Calendar. I go to the settings, I find the keyboard shortcut setting, and I make sure to check the box. While I'm here in the settings, I'm going to do one more thing. Click on the Views option in the left sidebar. In the Set Custom View dropdown, change it to 7 days. Okay, now let's go back to our Google Calendar. I'm going to tap the X key and you see what's called the custom view. Now you'll probably be seeing 7 days, but you don't just want to see any 7 days. If you're like me, you want to see today followed by the next six. Here's how to make that happen. In the left sidebar, you see that small month at a glance calendar? Click on the current day and drag until you've highlighted not only today, but also the next 6 days. You have just set the custom view for exactly what I have. When you open that Google Calendar, today is hugging the left rail, and you always see the next 6 days ahead of you. So much of productivity is eliminating friction, and that friction comes in minutes, many times seconds, or even fractions of a second. Having today always in the same spot on your calendar and being able to see the next 6 days without having to scroll, now that's something that eliminates friction, and it's too easy not to do. Hey, if you liked this, there's so much more. Come over to frankbuck.org and explore the blog. But more than anything else, while you're at that website, get on my email list. That way you'll never miss a thing. Every time I give you weekly content, you're going to know about it. When I run across something that I think you'll be interested in, I can include it in that weekly email that you'll be getting. And you're going to really enjoy the two gifts that you get as a thank you for joining. Come over to frankbuck.org and join today. Thanks for stopping by. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.